As you know, stir fry is 80% prep, 20% cooking, which equals 100% enjoying. Now this recipe today we're going to be doing with stir-fried rice can be done with shrimp, boneless skinless chicken thighs, which doesn't dry out like chicken breast does, or my favorite, pork tenderloin. You're going to want to marinate it in the Kikkoman sweet soy sauce for rice. And for another layer of flavor, we're going to add just a little bit of some ground ginger. And we'll toss and let it marinate before we stir fry. You're going to prep the vegetables ahead, of course. We've got our diced carrots and our fresh peas. And I've got the green onions. To do the green onions, we're going to remove the hairy ends. I like to give one slice down on the white part. This is the part we're going to be using in the actual recipe on the cooking. We'll give a nice slice. Then we're going to turn them around and take the dark green section and use this for the garnish after the stir fry is done. For the garlic, we're going to remove the end piece, give it a smash, remove it from the skin. We're going to give it a slice down the side and fine dice it. For stir fries, I like to puree my garlic so nobody gets a surprise when they're eating their stir fry. So I'm going to add a little bit of kosher salt to it and use the flat edge of my knife to give it a good mash and puree it nice and fine. At this point, we're not even going to need the cutting board. Now, to make the best stir-fried rice, you need to use rice that's a day old. You really can't make a fresh batch of rice and then stir-fry because it'll turn to mush. But I found a rice that makes probably the best stir-fry I've ever had. I found it in the dry rice section of my local Kroger store. It's VeeTee Rice, and it's sodium-free, cholesterol-free, and gluten-free. And unlike other brands, they don't parboil their rice in pouches. This one-of-a-kind cooking method keeps the aroma and texture just right. Now it's really important to get that wok or skillet really hot for at least 1 minute before stir frying. And because we're cooking on high heat, we are not going to be using extra virgin olive oil. You need something with a higher smoke point, such as grapeseed oil or stir-fry oil. We'll start by scrambling our egg. We'll add our oil to the wok, get it swirled around, and we'll add about 75% of our scrambled egg to the pan, and we'll get it scrambled up. And we'll set them aside on a plate. Now we're going to reheat our wok for another minute. We'll add some oil, get it swirled a coat, and we'll add our marinated pork and the rest of that scrambled egg. Give it a quick stir fry. After about a minute or two, we get some color on this pork. We're going to add our garlic, and we're going to stir fry for only about 30 seconds because you do not want to burn that garlic because it'll be very bitter if you do. And we'll toss in our vegetables and give it a stir fry. And after 1 more minute, we're going to go ahead and add our VeeTee rice, which I've actually crumbled up into packaging. And we'll get it in there and give it a good stir fry. And after about 1 to 2 minutes, we'll go ahead and add the Kikkoman sweet soy sauce for rice. And we'll give it a stir fry. Boy, now it really smells good. And if you'd like, a couple hot pepper flakes. We'll finish by adding our scrambled eggs back to the pan and bringing it all together for one last toss. We'll finish with a light drizzle of some sesame oil, but not too much. And we're ready to serve. We'll top with our sliced green onions. You can also use toasted sliced almonds. This Kikkoman sweet soy sauce for rice is gluten-free. And it's also great for marinating any meat before hitting the grill. The perfect wine pairing for this dish is the Coppola Claret. The word Claret comes from the British term that means a Bordeaux wine from France. And like all other Bordeaux's, it's a combination of 5 grapes, primarily 81% Cabernet, 9% Petit Verdot, 5% Malbec, 3% Merlot, and rounded up with 2% Cabernet Franc. It's aged in French oak for 15 months, and the majority of the grapes are harvested from their Sonoma and Napa Valley vineyards. You'll love the deep flavors of black cherries, finishing off with a light vanilla and toasty oak. Enjoy!